illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today we are heading to the ball field and I am going to teach you how to draw a baseball and a baseball bat. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our baseball character. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to draw an almost complete circle, and I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to pick a point and we're going to start our circle here. This will be our baseball's body, but we're not going to fully complete it. And this is because we want our baseball character to be wearing a hat. So we want to leave that space so that we can make the brim of the hat. All right, so in that space that we left, we're going to draw a inwardly curved line here. And this is going to become our baseball cap. And put a dome on here. Couple details to our hat here. Now we're going to add our baseball's face on first. So we're going to start with two eyes. And this is going to be a 3/4 view essentially. So our face isn't going exactly in the front center of our character. We're going to do a really big smile. So we're going to start with a small one. And then we're going to expand on that and have it come all the way down and back up. And you can fill this in here. A little detail there. All right, we want to do two eyebrows. And this one's going to go completely off of our character's face. I love when eyebrows do that. I think it is hilarious. All right, so now we're going to add a few details onto our character here. I'm going to do those stitches that baseballs are famous for here. So we'll do our two baselines for our stitches, and then our stitch details are a series of these little loops. And we're going to do these all along those two lines that we just drew. All right, now our baseball character is going to be holding a baseball bat. So we're going to start by drawing the line for the arm that's going to be holding the bat. And one curved line up. Now this is where we're going to place our baseball bat, okay? So we're going to have our baseball bat sit on top of this line that we just created. So we'll come out. Make a curve, come back in, and round out that end there. And we'll draw 3 more little lines up here for the fingers that are wrapping around the bat. We'll add a few lines for texture here. Now the other arm is going to be coming down this way. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Now the baseball character is jumping up in the air, so we're going to do 2 curves for legs. 1 and 2, with tiny feet at the end. We're also going to add some action lines that shows this character is in motion. And another way that you can make sure your viewer knows that your character is up in the air is you can draw a shadow underneath of it. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our baseball character holding a baseball bat. The next step that we're going to do is add some color. So go ahead and grab your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our baseball character holding a baseball bat. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, illustrators! I hope that you had a lot of fun drawing your baseball and your baseball bat, and I hope that I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley V. Bye!